Lollipop Helicopters. Hum. Up in the sky where the sugar clouds spin, lollipop helicopters begin to grin, with peppermint blades that twirl so bright. They shimmer and sparkle in morning light. Cotton candy clouds puff pink and blue, as chocolate bread roofs sparkle too. The jelly bean hills are soft and round, where gummy bears giggle without a sound. They zoom through syrup-scented air, trailing caramel ribbons everywhere. Each rotor hums a taffy tune that echoes beneath the bubblegum moon. The pilot's cap is made of fudge. He never crashes, he'll never budge. His goggles shine with crystal glaze as marshmallow winds begin to raise. They fly above the cookie towns with gingerbread roofs and candy crowns. Licorice lanes stretch far and wide, with sprinkles falling like snow outside. A lemon drop sun begins to rise, painting sugar sparkles across the skies. Candy canes grow tall and neat, where frosting grass tickles little feet. Through toffee tunnels the copters glide, carrying dreams on the syrup tide. They twirl past castles made of cake, where fairies sip cocoa by the lake. Each lollipop blade hums softly sweet, like honey drumming to a candy beat. Bubblegum birds flap chewy wings as taffy trees sway and the chocolate bell rings. Raspberry rain begins to pour, but no one worries, it's what it's for. Kids run laughing through the stream, collecting candy in a dream. The helicopters dip down low to pick up sweets where the sugar winds blow. Then up again they soar so free, over a licorice lemon sea. They dance with kites made of caramel lace, each one smiling with a gooey face. Cupcake clouds fluff, giggling high, as sprinkles drift down from the sky. Toffee towers shine in gold, guarding secrets sweet and old. The peppermint guards with spearmint shields watch jelly jewels and candy fields. They zoom past chocolate chip caves, where gummy fish wiggle through soda waves. The world is sweet, it hums with glee, as sugar sparkles endlessly. They hover where dreams and sweetness blend, a candy flight that has no end. The engines hum a sugary rhyme, as licorice clocks keep candy time. And when the stars of sugar and light, they twinkle softly through the night. Lollipop helicopters rest on cream, guarding the land of every dream. Frosting moons rise slow and bright, melting softly into the night. The candy world sighs calm and deep, as lollipop pilots drift to sleep. Tomorrow brings another flight of rainbow sweets and shining light. Through sugar skies they'll dance once more, past chocolate hills and caramel shore. No engines roar, no smoke, no fear, just candy laughter helicopters spin with glee in a world so sweet as it can be. A peppermint breeze begins to blow as morning sprinkles start to glow. The lollipops lift the journey anew through skies of strawberry, lemon, and blue. The children wave from cupcake hills, their giggles echo like tinkling spills. Up they soar where the dreams all fly, painting colors across the sky. Candy clouds whisper, come and see the magic of sweet Piscavoli. And so they whirl both near and far, each lollipop copter a tiny star. They hum a tune, soft and light, a melody made of sugar delight. And high above, with joy so grand, they sprinkle sweetness across the land. No storm can shake their candy spin, for love and laughter dwell within. Each rotor tolls, each child believes in the magic that the sky achieves. And when twilight wraps its velvet bow, the lollipop lights begin to glow. They twinkle down through honey air, leaving trails of sparkles everywhere. The candy world hums a lullaby song as caramel winds drift dreams along. And there they rest till morning's gleam, lollipop helicopters of every dream. Lollipop helicopter session. Up in the sky where the sugar clouds spin, lollipop helicopters begin to grin with peppermint blades that twirl so bright. They shimmer and sparkle in morning light. Cotton candy clouds puff pink and blue as chocolate livers sparkle too. The jelly bean hills are soft and round where gummy bears giggle without a sound. They zoom through syrup-scented air, trailing caramel ribbons everywhere. Each rotor hums a taffy tune that echoes beneath the bubblegum moon. The pilot's cap is made of fudge. He never crashes, he'll never budge. His goggles shine with crystal glaze as marshmallow winds begin to raise. They fly above the cookie towns with gingerbread roofs and candy crowns. Licorice lanes stretch far and wide with sprinkles falling like snow outside. A lemon drop sun begins to rise, painting sugar sparkles across the skies. Candy canes grow tall and neat where frosting grass tickles little feet through 10-feet tunnels. The copters glide, carrying dreams on the syrup tide. They twirl past castles made of cake where fairies sip cocoa by the lake. Each lollipop blade hums softly sweet like honey drumming to a candy beat. Bubblegum birds flap chewy wings as taffy trees sway in the chocolate bell rings. Raspberry rain begins to pour, but no one worries, it's what it's for. Kids run laughing through the stream, collecting candy in a dream. The helicopters dip down low to pick up sweets where the sugar winds blow. Then up again, they soar so free over a licorice lemon sea. They dance with kites made of caramel lace, each one smiling with a gooey face. Cupcake clouds fluff giggling high as sprinkles drift down from the sky. Toffee towers shine in gold, guarding secrets sweet and wiggle through soda waves. The world is sweet, it hums with glee as sugar sparkles endlessly. They hover where dreams and sweetness blend, a candy flight that has no end. The engines hum a sugary rhyme as licorice clocks keep candy time. And when the stars of sugar ignite, they twinkle softly through the night. Lollipop helicopters rest on cream, guarding the land of every dream. Frosting moons rise slow and bright, melting softly into the night. The candy world sighs, calm and deep, as lollipop pilots drift to sleep. Tomorrow brings another flight of rainbow sweets and shining light. Through sugar skies they'll dance once more, past chocolate hills and caramel shore. No engines roar, no smoke, no fear, just candy laughter everywhere near. Lollipop helicopters spin with glee in a world so sweet as it can be. A peppermint breeze begins to blow as morning sprinkles start to glow. The lollipops lift the journey anew through skies of strawberry, lemon and blue. The children wave from cupcake hills, their giggles echo like tinkling spills. Up they soar where the dreams all fly, painting colors across the sky. Candy clouds whisper, come and see the magic of sweet discovery. And so they whirl both near and far, each lollipop copter a tiny star. They hum a tune, soft and light, a melody made of sugar delight. And high above, with joy so grand, they sprinkle sweetness across the land. No storm can shake their candy spin, for love and laughter dwell within. Each rotor twirls, each child believes in the magic that the sky achieves. And when twilight wraps its velvet bow, the lollipop lights begin to glow. They twinkle down through honey air, leaving trails of sparkles everywhere. The candy world hums a lullaby song as caramel winds drift dreams along. And there they rest till morning's gleam, lollipop helicopters of every dream.
Lollipop helicopters. Hum.
Up in the sky where the sugar clouds spin, lollipop helicopters begin to grin. With peppermint blades that twirl so bright, they shimmer and sparkle in morning light. Cotton candy clouds puff pink and blue as chocolate roofs sparkle too. The jelly bean hills are soft and round, where gummy bears giggle without a sound. They zoom through syrup-scented air, trailing caramel ribbons everywhere. Each rotor hums a taffy tune that echoes beneath the bubblegum moon. The pilot's cap is made of fudge. He never crashes, he'll never budge. His goggles shine with crystal glaze as marshmallow winds begin to raise. They fly above the cookie towns with gingerbread roofs and candy crowns. Licorice lanes stretch far and wide, with sprinkles falling like snow outside. A lemon drop sun begins to rise, painting sugar sparkles across the skies. Candy canes grow tall and neat, where frosting grass tickles little feet. Through toffee tunnels the copters glide, carrying dreams on the syrup tide. They twirl past castles made of cake, where fairies sip cocoa by the lake. Each lollipop blade hums softly sweet, like honey drumming to a candy beat. Bubblegum birds flap chewy wings as taffy trees sway and the chocolate bell rings. Raspberry rain begins to pour, but no one worries, it's what it's for. Kids run laughing through the stream, collecting candy in a dream. The helicopters dip down low to pick up sweets where the sugar winds blow. Then up again they soar so free over a licorice lemon sea. They dance with kites made of caramel lace, each one smiling with a gooey face. Cupcake clouds fluff, giggling high as sprinkles drift down from the sky. Toffee towers shine in gold, guarding secrets sweet and old. The peppermint guards with spearmint shields watch jelly jewels and candy fields. They zoom past chocolate chip caves where gummy fish wiggle through soda waves. The world is sweet, it hums with glee as sugar sparkles endlessly. They hover where dreams and sweetness blend, a candy flight that has no end. The engines hum a sugary rhyme as licorice clocks keep candy time. And when the stars of sugar and light, they twinkle softly through the night. Lollipop helicopters rest on cream, guarding the land of every dream. Frosting moons rise slow and blight, melting softly into the night. The candy world sighs calm and deep as lollipop pilots drift to sleep. Tomorrow brings another flight of rainbow sweets and shining light. Through sugar skies they'll dance once more, past chocolate hills and caramel shore. No engines roar, no smoke, no fear, just candy laughter everywhere near. Lollipop helicopters spin with glee in a world so sweet as it can be. A peppermint breeze begins to blow as morning sprinkles start to glow. The lollipops lift the journey anew through skies of strawberry, lemon, and blue. The children wave from cupcake hills, their giggles echo like tinkling spills. Up they soar where the dreams all fly, painting colors across the sky. Candy clouds whisper, come and see the magic of sweet discovery. And so they whirl both near and far, each lollipop copter a tiny star. They hum a tune soft and light, a melody made of sugar delight. And high above with joy so grand, they sprinkle sweetness across the land. No storm can shake their candy spin, for love and laughter dwell within. Each rotor tolls, each child believes in the magic that the sky achieves. And when twilight wraps its velvet bow, the lollipop lights begin to glow. They twinkle down through honey air, leaving trails of sparkles everywhere. The candy world hums a lullaby song as caramel winds drift dreams along. And there they rest till morning's gleam, lollipop helicopters of air